Welcome to our instructional video on how to factorize the equation x squared minus 9x plus 20. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to factorize this quadratic equation. Let's get started. Step 1. First, we begin by identifying the quadratic equation we want to factorize, which is x squared minus 9x plus 20. We look for two numbers that multiply to give us the constant term, which is 20, and add up to give us the coefficient of the linear term, which is minus 9. Let's list the pairs of factors of 20. They include 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Next, we observe that the pairs 1 and 20 and 2 and 10 cannot add up to minus 9. However, the pair 4 and 5 can be adjusted since minus 4 and minus 5 multiply to give 20 and add up to minus 9. Therefore, we can break down the middle term, which is minus 9x, into minus 4x and minus 5x. Our expression is now altered to x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. This completes step 1, where we have rewritten the quadratic equation into 4 terms. Step 2. Now, we will factor by grouping. First, we group the first two terms together and the last two terms together. This gives us the expression x squared minus 4x and minus 5x plus 20. Next, we factor out the greatest common factor from each group. For the first group, x squared minus 4x, the greatest common factor is x. This results in x times x minus 4. For the second group, minus 5x plus 20. The greatest common factor is minus 5. This gives us minus 5 times x minus 4. Now, we can see that both terms have a common factor of x minus 4. We factor out x minus 4, which leaves us with x minus 4 times x minus 5. Therefore, the factorized form of the quadratic equation x squared minus 9x plus 20 is x minus 4 times x minus 5. That completes the factorization process. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.